What is up, you guys? My name is Maya Miliani, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post new videos every single day, so don't forget to click the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So I'm also starting off with very clean hair. I just washed my hair, but I like to braid my hair because, for one, it keeps the hair out of my face when I'm sleeping. And for two, my ends get really dry when I leave them out. I don't know why. Does this happen to anybody else, or is that really just me? It just makes sure, I like to braid it just to make sure that my hair stays soft and nice. And from when I combed it out, like, I want it to be the same way I went to sleep with it. Like, why do I wake up and it's something else? Make it make sense. Once I'm done taking out my braids, I'm going in with my blow dryer just to make sure that my hair is completely stretched for my bun. I also like to go in with a little bit of my olive oil. It smells so good, like it gets me every time. So that's what I go in, mainly the ends. Don't say I didn't put y'all on, it's so good and it definitely works. Once I feel like my hair is stretched enough, I go in and try or attempt to start parting it. The bang ain't swooped if it ain't swooping. Like, if you know what I'm saying, like, the swoop gotta be so perfect. So you're gonna honestly see me fiddling and playing with this so much because it really ain't swooping if it ain't swooping. Like, it has to have this nice curve. Like, I like my swoop to be perfect. So I'm honestly gonna keep going back and forth, messing around with it because it has to be perfect. Like, this is the main part and the most hardest thing to do, honestly. Nah, but honestly, like, it's really the main course. If the swoop don't work out for the swoop bang, is it really, did you really do your job? Did you really do your job? Okay. Once I feel like I got the bang kind of perfect or kind of the way I want it, I go in and separate the ponytail part from the bang part because we don't need them to mix in. Because if they mix, then you're gonna have to start all over, start swooping again, and you already know how long that process took. So we don't want to go in and do that again. So for this bang, you're gonna want to make sure it's not too much hair and not too little, because if it's giving too little, it's basically gonna give bald-headed bang. Feel me? And you don't want that. You don't want that. So you're gonna want to make sure it's just the right amount. Look at me going back in because it wasn't swooping. It wasn't swooping hard enough for me. Faithfully, like, it really, respectfully, was not swooping hard enough for me. Then I'm just gonna take a little bit more out on the other side just so that it's perfectly the way I want it. As long, I don't care about the other side, honestly. As long as the bang is swooping the way it should, you really shouldn't have no problem. Okay, moving on to the next step. So I'm basically going back and forth with the same hand movement, applying the gel, smoothing it out, applying the gel, smoothing it out, and back and forth just to make sure I got it. So I do kind of like a pre-swoop, I guess, or pre-sleek it down. I don't know how to explain it, but I kind of just slick it down first, and then I go back in and work on the actual ponytail before I do the swoop. Are y'all peeping the glasses situation? Like, I'm literally taking them off and putting them back on because, like, I really can't really see what I'm doing. Like, I'm looking in the mirror and I literally can't see what I'm doing, right? But, like, to slick it up, like, respectfully, the glasses can't be on because, like, I got hair all the way down, like, by my ears, so everything gotta go up there, like, respectfully, like, it gotta all go up. Don't worry, I am gonna apply the gel to the ponytail because we want that baby slick. But I like to put in like a pre-ponytail. I don't know why I do these steps, but it works for me. So just try it. So I slick it up first, make sure everything is smooth and nice and how I like it. And then once I feel like everything is slicked and smooth, I go back in and redo the ponytail and just make sure it's tight. I use about 2-3 scrunchies because I like my hair to be tight in that ponytail. I do not play no games about it. Doing the bun is honestly the easiest part of this whole entire thing. But like, once again, if you do want to see a more in-depth detailed video of how I do my buns, just leave a comment down below. I learned this little bun trick for some girl on YouTube. If I do find her video or come across her video again, I will leave that video in the description, because once I found out about that hack, I was like, oh girl, you put me on to game. Like, I used to have to redo the ponytail, try again back in the days, but now it really don't take that much. All you gotta do is wrap that thing and it's doing what it's supposed to do. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to have gave. So if y'all do want a tutorial on how I do it, let me know. Okay, now it's time to go back in and mess with the dang paint again. So it's just really the same motion with the hand. You apply the gel, you slick it, you apply the gel, you slick it. And that's just basically what I do until I feel like it's giving what it's supposed to have gave. It's giving a little bald a little bit. Did y'all peep that? Oh, we don't want to talk about that. Did I mention to you guys that I didn't have any pens or anything before recording this video? I'm literally using one of like the dread clips. You know when you retwist your locks and that clip that you use to hold it? That's exactly what I'm using. Do y'all see that? I'm so embarrassing. Okay, so now I'm going back in with and trying to like attempt to fix the swoop, making sure it's swooping and doing what it's supposed to do and giving what it's supposed to have given, and then I'll be done. Basically, actually, I'm bugging. Like, how we forget the edges? Where the edges at, girl? Nah, that clip is doing way too much. That clip is way too much for me. Okay. Nah, I don't know why I'm pulling it out as if it's a wig. Like, I'm just so used to like doing this to my wigs that it's literally a habit to me now. And also, if you also want to see a video on how I do my edges, leave a comment down below. Like I said, I'm down to do whatever videos you guys want. I post new videos every single day, so any creative suggestions would be nice. Pranks, anything, whatever y'all want, just leave a comment down below. So I'm just going in with using the same Eco Styler gel and swooping my edges, and after this I will give you guys the final look and tell me what you guys think in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe and follow all of my social medias. It's Maya Miliani on everything, so don't forget to follow me. Oh, and I also post on TikTok every day as well. course, if you guys made it to the end of the video, you most definitely are a real one. And if you did make it to the end of the video, comment down below purple and I'll follow you guys back. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.